and inspiration. चलिए इस विचारों को, जश्न को आगे बढ़ाने दिया जाए.
Please stay with us as we welcome our meeting moderator, Mr. Savitronarayan Tripathi, Principal DPS, who will guide us into the next part of tonight's celebration.
Thank you very much for giving me this utmost opportunity to be a part of this magnificent event. Outstanding, the phenomenal event, Preetham 2K25. So this is the evening. It's the most awaited event of our school, of our family, wonderful family, Dharamsala Public School. It doesn't mean that I'm going to allow these things. It's being a part of the celebration. And me, at the grassroots level, just pick up the dust. I do take a lot of privilege to be a part of this phenomenal event. All the dignitaries are sitting. So all the parents and the students, they are requested to be seated. आप लोग दिल थाम के बैठिए, एक धमाकेदार प्रोग्राम शुरू होने वाला है. धन्यवाद. साई और प्रियंका आप शुरू करिए.
Now I want to invite our esteemed Mr. Somnath Misra, Senior Faculty DPS, to continue addressing the meeting. Somnath sir, please.
Jai Jagannath. A very good evening to one and all present over here. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Savitronarayan Tripathi, to read the annual report. Sir, please.
Once again, a very good evening. So, it's a very poignant moment to share the annual report of Preetham 2K25 Parents' Day, 30th March 2025, Sunday. A warm welcome to esteemed guests, parents and cherished members of our Preetham family to the grand unveiling of a year filled with achievements, growth and boundless potential. As we gather tonight for the Preetham Parents Annual Day 2K25, let's embark on a journey through the herd of our school's endeavors, where every page of our annual report tells a story of dedication, excellence and the vibrant spirit that defines us. Let us celebrate the milestones of the past year and set our sights on the horizon of endless possibilities. Welcome to our showcase of brilliance, innovation and unwavering commitment to nurturing young minds. Welcome to the essence of Preetham. Not wasting much of your time, I am precisely presenting our achievements, achievements of our students and the school as a whole. Let me announce three concrete visions of our great family, Dharamsala Public School. Three visions. My Honorable Director, Dr. Vikari Charan Shamal, has been cherishing these three visions deep in his heart. And it's extreme proud moment for me. I'm pretty emotional to share these visions. Number one, first to impact quality education among students. Number two, with minimal cost, we want to raise our students to the highest arena of academics and national level platforms. Thirdly, to bring a 360-degree holistic achievement in every student. After this, let me enumerate the achievements in a whole, in a compact form, in a capsulized form. Number one, our school has been fixed as a board exam center for 10th and 12th by CBSE New Delhi this year. Number two, the strength of the school has increased to about 1,000 during the last academic year 24-25. This is a clear indication of our hard work and excellence in education and other co-curricular activities. Number three, now let me enumerate about the students' achievements. To begin with, our girls' kabaddi team, under 14 and under 17, had won the gold medal in CBSE Cluster Kabaddi Meet 2025. The same team played the National Kabaddi Meet for 2025. Our boys' kabaddi team under 14 and under 17 had also grabbed the bronze medal in CBSE Kabaddi Cluster Meet 2025. Moreover, our girls Kabaddi team under 17 had been the champion in the Sahoday Inter-School Kabaddi Tournament for 2025. Then our girls Kabaddi team under 14 grabbed the runners-up position in the Sahoday Inter-School Kabaddi Tournament for 2025. One more milestone had been achieved by our school students in All Odisha Inter-School Science Exhibition 2025, which was conducted by Sahoday Eastern Chapter CBSE. Our school got the first position in the aforesaid event. Our students have been qualified to the second level Olympiad exams in maths, science, English and GK subjects. Moreover, many students have also grabbed gold medals in various Olympiads and some of them are placed in top AIR 100. In the academics, our students have secured a score of 97%, namely by Subhashree Raut and ND Josepa dropped 93% in the CBSE AISSC 2024-25. The overall achievement was 100% pass outs. Another golden achievement to mention with utmost pride is the Alina Sheikh had won the gold medal in Super Sub Junior State Level Taekwondo Championship 2024 held at Jawaharlal Nehru Indoor Stadium, Cuttack. More than 10 students had got gold, silver, bronze medals in All Odisha Open Karate Championship 2025. Not the last but the least, our students have achieved the second and third positions in All Odisha Inter-School Senior and Junior Group Song competitions, respectively, still raising the bars a bit more. In All Odisha Senior and Junior Dance Group Competition 2024, our students have grabbed the first position in both categories conducted by Sahoday Eastern Chapter CBSE. Moreover, our shining stars have been the continuous winners of All Odisha State Level Senior Group Dance Competition and also in Dharmasala Mahotsav Inter-School Dance Competition. Needless to say that these are only a few of many phenomenal achievements by our students in other fields. It's an immensely proud moment to share this fact that we are backed by convent-educated faculties. They are the real-time springboards of a holistic growth of our students. Now I conclude my presentation here by urging you all to celebrate the immense joy and pride with Dharmasala Public School family. Thank you all. This is the end of our annual report. Thank you very much once again. Thank you, the dignitaries also. Thank you everybody for listening to this annual report.